a 2-color, ready-to-heat press custom CAD-CUT transfer. I want to show you exactly how this works. So when you are ordering multiple colors or multiple materials, each color will come like this, ready to heat press, but it needs to be combined on the garment with the other color. It's not that difficult to do, but you need to understand exactly how to do it. So first off, all of the transfers will come like this. You'll need to trim them apart by color, and then you'll be able to remove the transfer to prepare it for heat application, just like you would do for a single color design. Now, before you do anything, you want to start by preheating your garment. In this case, I'm just going to preheat it for a few seconds to remove the moisture and wrinkles. At that point, I'm ready to take the first color of my design and position it into place on the garment. We'll place that for a moment. I'm going to grab the second color just to make sure my alignment is correct, and just hold it over here. And I can see that I want to move my design just slightly closer to the collar, no problem. And so I have my first color down. When they are overlapping, like you see here, each color will need applied individually. Now, if they weren't intersecting each other, I'd be able to apply both at the same time. But let me show you how this works. Step number 1 is we are going to apply the first color. We're just going to tack it down. Make sure you follow the application instructions for the particular material that you're using. Every material applies at a different setting, and so you want to make sure you are following the specific instructions. In this case, the first application called for 5 seconds, and it was a hot peel. That gets it to temporarily hold in place. It's not on there for good at this point. That allows me to grab my second color and align it. And you can see my second color is into position, and the first color is now exposed to the top of the heater. So it's safe to always use a cover sheet when you're doing your second and third layers. At this point, I'm going to complete the full application for the second color. You always want to run at the highest temperature for the material that you're using. So if you're combining glitter with flock, make sure you run at the hottest setting, whether that's glitter or flock, to make sure it reaches the melting point. Also make sure you run for the most amount of time for the particular transfer that it calls for. But once it's been applied, you peel it backing, and we have a completed multicolor result. So I wanted to do this video to show you that the 2 different colors and the multiple colors do need to be combined at the press. But if applied properly, they're just as easy to use and highly durable.